Hi, and welcome to the second video on my Ready, Set, Go, the R Sound speech therapy game. I've recently added some updates and I wanted to give you a quick look at how to use them. So I've added sound, I've added some videos, and I've added some practice pages that target your vocalic Rs in the word level, short phrase level, and then a sentence level as well. So to get started, you are going to press start, of course, but we have a sound effect that is actually hidden in the start button. So if you press the center of it, you're going to get an engine starting. Now, if you only press in the center, you won't be able to go to the next page. So just make sure after you've selected that sound, you can click anywhere else on this button and it will take you to the next page. So here we have watch the tutorial that you can always reference back to or play the game. So we have choose a car to drive. Now each of these three cars has that same hidden sound in the center of the picture right here. So if you want to progress forward, you can press anywhere else on this entire rectangle and it will take you to that next page. In this top corner, if you click this button, it takes you back to this page in case you need to reference the tutorial. So let's go ahead and select the red car. And once again, I'm just going to move somewhere else on this button and push it to get to this page. Now in my first video that you can reference back to, I show you how to use this page. So we basically have this vowel shape and you're going to get your student to sustain this vowel sound all the way to this R where they're going to pull their tongue back for that position. So they get to grab the car and have a nice visual and go ear, and they can go at whatever pace they want. Okay, so you'd have them do it 5 times or however many times they want to. And if they're ready to start using this vocalic R in words, they can name the pictures at the bottom. So you can jump around and navigate to different vowels with this same red car theme just by using this navigation bar at the top. So we have the R, the air, the IR, and the OR. Now the new addition that I've added is a practice page. So if we go back to ear, here it says practice ear here. So on this page, once again, you have the car and you can use this, or the reason I put it here is so that your student can reference this if they start using the ear sound in one of these different levels and they have trouble. Then they can go back and kind of get a nice pure ear sound again and try it again in these words, okay? So I have added a practice word level here, phrase level here, and then a sentence level here. Now down at the bottom is where you're going to navigate the practice pages. So we're already on the ear page. We can jump over to the R page, then the air page, the IR page, and the OR page. And this is so convenient because if you happen to be working in a group of students who are all working on vocalic Rs, they might be working on different ones, and that way you can easily jump around and still work with the whole entire group. So I've added some videos just to have some like an interesting feature for your students to maybe have conversation about or inspire some different sentences than these. So on the word torch, I have a little video of an actual torch because maybe your students don't know what that is. And this should be pretty motivating for most of your students to want to talk about. Now, I will say some of the videos go for maybe 10 or 12 seconds. If you click the picture of the torch and you jump over to the next page, this video will keep playing. So make sure you hit pause before moving on to the next page or next video. To navigate back from this page, you just hit this button here and it'll take you back to this page. So once again, to get to the other page, you just go here. If you click this one, it'll take you back to the choose a car to drive. Once again, the sound's in the center of the car, and anywhere else on this button will take you to the next page. So I hope you like the updates, and I hope this is something that you are having so much fun with in your speech therapy sessions. And leave a comment below if you are currently using this or if you would like to start using it. I'd love to see what you guys have to say.